welcome back to another video. I just want to quickly say I found this new custom chat thing and it is really good. It's so simple to use. Basically what you want to do is you want to open up the model, put server script service in server script service. Hold on, it's lagging a little. Once you've done that, you want to open up Echo Chat, ignore everything else you might break if you touch it. Hold on, I'm just gonna. Once you've opened it, it's gonna look really like everywhere. Ignore this, it will look different on your screen because I've changed this a little bit. This will probably look different as well, because I changed all that. But what you want to do is if you want to change this to your username. Okay, Alfie145 is mine. And you can change it with this one too. I'm gonna actually change it with this one instead. Once you have changed it, look at these commands, alright? You don't have to memorize them or anything. These are the commands you'll be able to use, because with the custom chat is not just commands. It gives you a cool chat for your game, but you can use commands on it as well. So you want to get into the game, so let me join real quick. Hopefully it doesn't take too long like all my other videos. And Studio wasn't responding for a second. It's always like that nowadays. Alright, we're loading in fine, just a little slow, that's all. Oh, and we're not responding again. This is like always happening nowadays. Still quite slow, but slowly get. And we're not responding again. What is this? What is going on? Right, we're in. Ignore this tool that was from another video I was doing. It is being really slow. So the custom chat might take a couple seconds or minutes to sort itself out, but yeah. You want to take note of this, right? The server will, the bad words will appear, like all sorts. I'm not gonna shout out any. So chat logs, I'm not sure, I haven't tried this in an actual game. This might work in out of Studio. And here's all the updates that has happened to the model. Here's just information to this my game. So that's a game name, and that's when I last updated it. We'll go back. Right, and if you go on settings, you can change it all. I'm gonna change it up to max, no saturation. Actually, I'm gonna put that back. I could easily turn off chat bubbles or not. I can see it is really useful. And now to use these commands, you've got to put on another one of these. I'm not sure what you call them. Then if you're unaware of the commands, you can put help. Oh my god, what is going on? Yeah, so these are all the commands me and everyone who has those permission can use. Now, if I didn't have those permission, I wouldn't have access to all of them, but I'll still have access to some of them. You can customize who can do it. For example, if I didn't have admin on it, I could only be able to like respawn myself and reply to a whisper, or just whisper to myself, or whisper to other players. Now, let's say I want my text to be bigger. I don't want oh my. There you go, and I have no chat bubbles. So this can easily be turned on and off. And my voice has gone weird. Chat bubble length, not sure what that does. Let's see. I don't know what that does. Let me just file the stuff. So, if someone's playing the game and they didn't want all the text to be everywhere, they can easily downsize it all to something really small. Now, you see this image here? That could be customized if you change like the image and all that, but that's just like a whole nother level. To be honest, it's going to be such a nightmare. And just to prove these commands work, hold on, let me see what command I should use. We have a quit, we have kick, mute, name. I haven't tried name. Let me try name. Name. I don't know what that does, if I'm honest. Hive. I have zero clue. Maybe if I go on settings. I don't know what that did, if I'm honest. Weird. For example, respawn, or is it reset? I can't remember. Reset. And it just respawns it, as you can see. Yeah. So that's about it. It's all customizable and it's all really, really useful. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow, or well, most likely tomorrow, because I'm probably not going to upload anymore today, because I've uploaded quite a lot of videos today. Anyways, remember to subscribe and all that, and also, yeah, the model is in the description. If I haven't said that, I might have forgotten. Yeah, but anyways, bye.